We've never experienced anything like that before, and that was traumatic. And then we were not prepared. We had to sit back here in Antigua and decide, you know, really, what can you do to prepare for something like that? So the project offered a loan program, what we call a revolving loan program. It's a very highly concessional loan. They don't have to provide collateral at all. If you don't pay back what you owe, it means the community suffers. And so that culture is what we relied on for our payback system, and now we have an amazing default rate of only 2%.
The loan that I received was specifically to purchase the photovoltaic system. The fact that you're able to make your home resilient, just the peace of knowing that even if in a hurricane setting, you are still able to get power from the sun, and you can just keep going on and on for days until the government system comes back online.
Got some shutters for the house because during the hurricanes there are a lot of projectiles, so the shutters would protect the windows from damage. Now that I've gotten all these things, I feel way more comfortable at my home. I feel more secure.
The running water is an issue for us. So the pipe goes off sometimes for days, and having easy access to water right in your yard is so much better.
Climate change is going to have a really devastating impact on Antigua and Barbuda, which is my home. And regardless of whatever climate change brings, we will have to get ready for it. We just keep going.